It should be a pretty simple install.
It should be a pretty simple install.
Oh! What is this?
This is a Cheval Blanc on 1664. It's just a mislabel. It's so good.
Got the Mishimoto low temp thermostat. Car's in the garage. It's cooled down for 2 hours. It should be a pretty simple install.
It should be a pretty simple install.
Thermostat housing right here. Gotta undo this bolt and then the bolt on top. Should be good. We got a spill-proof funnel kit here. 12 and 10 mil just in case, because I don't know which one it is. Ow, f. But the bolts are very easy to reach. It's just 2 bolts right here. It's gonna go all over my header.
I'll get your face in it. So we can get a nice face cam and it spills all over you.
It's gonna spill all over my face. I'm gonna grab this just to catch as much as, you know, humanly possible, even though it's probably not gonna catch anything.
All right, let's see the magic, baby.
I'm not stoked. I'm just gonna let that drain out slowly. It's not gonna drain for too long because it's just in this channel passage over here. It's angry. Yeah, looks pretty good. That's about it. A very minimal amount of coolant. Bolt's gonna be hard to grab. Can't really reach around and grab it. It's just about out. There we go. There's that bolt. Where's the other bolt?
Behind you.
Right here.
Ooh, action shot, money shot, money shot.
So there's the old thermostat right there. It's gonna spill. Oh god! Ah! Oh!
That was a mess. Hey, what am I about?
Okay, a little more coolant that time.
I don't know why I opened my mouth.
Yeah, it tastes so bad.
Kinda sweet, they were right.
Alright, well there's the old thermostat.
It's like a nice look-see there.
Oh god, it tastes so bad. Hey, at least it's still blue though. That's the new one. It looks pretty much identical. Let me just shove it back in the hole.
You did like.
Oh, it's so wet. My header is definitely wet. Put that one right back in there. There we go. Ah.
More.
Oh my god. It's in my armpit.
I can see it. It's like going down your arm. Let's take a
Bolt her back up.
boy. Damn, shucks.
The same because nothing changed on the outside.
So what is this called? The Subaru struggle vlogs?
This is what it is. Yeah, that's my life now. ASMR, you struggle on a Subaru.
Coolant ASMR.
ASMR. It's in my shirt. It's on my chest. Like,
I don't know where it's not. I can see your whole back. It's just like blue.
there we go. There we go. I got it. I got it. We good. We're pro mechanics out here. Actually, the top bolt went in.
Nice. Okay.
Just gotta tighten her down. Give her a little bit of a crank. Oh, my lips taste gross.
Folks, that ain't coolant. That's sweat.
No, that is
manual.
that is coolant. The top one's almost tight. I'm just gonna balance it out by top. Very clean job. Your garage won't get dirty, I promise. Why are these bolts so long, dude? Get nice and tight. Top one needs to get tight. And then brake clean everything, turn it on, bleed the system, and we're good to go. Pretty simple install, unlike last time where I did the wastegate and it took 2 hours. Alright. Very clean. Alright, we got some coolant, some brand new Subaru OEM coolant.
Properly adapted and.
You know, definitely properly adapted, yes.
That's a perfect seal right there.
We're gonna fill it from the expansion tank and check for leaks. Oh, that's why you have a seal. Good.
That's quality. You're watching a professional, actually.
Yeah, this is how you fix this. You bend these tabs out a little bit when you have an aftermarket expansion tank. That's probably good enough.
The moment this system gets pressurized.
Look, it's working. Great success.
Oh yes, great success.
Yeah, we're just watching a tutorial. Make sure we know what we're doing. All right, so back in the garage, we actually finished off 2 coolant bottles because of one issue. The new thermostat, this is the old thermostat, but the new thermostat that I put in came with this gasket. And unfortunately, this gasket caused a leak on my thermostat housing. So what I had to do was pull the thermostat out a second time, which caused the coolant to drain out a lot, as you saw, but that happened twice. So that's why we ran out of coolant. But this morning, I went and got 2 brand new bottles of Subaru coolant. Gonna finish flushing the car, bleeding the coolant system, and then we should be good to go. The new thermostat's in, there's no leaks. Put the OEM gasket on the Mishimoto, or the low temp thermostat, and it worked, no leaks. Just gonna keep an eye on the access port, watch it get up to about 150. It doesn't look like there's any leak from the thermostat housing, which is good. All right, got some bubbles coming up. The thermostat is just about to crack open at about 150. So, got some bubbles. Just want to keep this full until the bubbles stop. And then once the bubbles stop, we're gonna plug it and should be good to go. Heat's on, feels good. All right, system's bled. The only thing left to do now is go for a drive and make sure the coolant's fully bled, but I did check it. Bubbles were gone. Close off the system and let's go for a drive. It's been a little while since I've worked on this video. It's been about 2, maybe 4 weeks. I've been driving the car around with the new thermostat and it's working amazing actually. Like my temps are at an all-time low, which is awesome. On cooler days, I hit like 175 to 180 Fahrenheit. And then on hotter days, I'm just hitting about 190, which is like the sweet spot. I'm pretty impressed that this actually like solved my cooling. And one of the issues before was that my car would reach about 208 Fahrenheit, and even with the fans on, nothing would be happening. But now when it reaches 203 and the fans kick on, it drops back down. Like the fans are actually doing something. Random thing, but I installed the version 9 STI wheel to go with the version 9 dash. It looks really nice. The wheel feels amazing. I love this one. We've been driving for about, I don't know, 5 minutes now, and we're about 170, and it's morning time, so the ambient temperature is a little cooler. 169 looks like. I was kind of mad before because I do have a Koyo rad. Like I have an aftermarket Koyo rad, and it didn't seem like it was doing much. I think it just needed that low temp thermostat combo to actually be effective. I have a dyno date on September 28th, so that should be awesome. And we have the new wastegate in. There it goes. It drops down. Before, it would just keep going. It would just keep going up, which is like the worst thing possible. I'm very excited for the dyno day. I'm very excited that this car is actually happy now. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna start work. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.